Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'll be creating a Pride inspired look. So I've seen this trend on TikTok where they create colourful eye bags, and I wanted to do that with the Pride colours today, as it is Pride month and I wanted to do a dedicated look for it. This is the look I'm going to create. And if you think that looks good and you want to learn how to do it, stick around and watch the video. Please hit that massive thumbs up button if you do enjoy this video, and while you're down there, might as well subscribe as well. But that's enough rambling from me, let's get on into the video. So as you can see, I've got my brows done and majority of my base makeup done today, and that's because we are focusing on the eyes, so I didn't want to fill up this video with doing my base routine. But as you may know, I already have a video explaining my base routine, so if you want to see that, go check it out on my channel, and for ease I'll just link it down below now. If you're interested in what I used, today I used the Rare Beauty foundation and the Avon True foundation. Use this one because it's a super lightweight and matte, but it's not really my shade at the moment because I have got a bit of a tan. So I did add in some of this Avon foundation to get the perfect colour. I've also bronzed and added some blush, but I haven't done my under eye concealer. This is because I'm going to do something a bit different and I wanted to do it with you. Okay, so let's crack on with the eyeshadow. So for this, I'm actually going to start with an eyeshadow base, and this is the P. Louise one in the shade 0.5. What I'm going to do is take some on the back of my hand and blend it into the eye bag. So I've just got a bit on the brush here. Now I'm applying it directly under the eye and then blending it out. The reason I'm applying this base is so we can get that full colour payoff from the shadows later, and so it can last all day. Just going to blend it on top of the eyelid as well. Now that's on and blended, let's get on with the eyeshadow. So yeah, it does look a bit pale right now, but that doesn't matter to me as I'm going to go for more pastel colours if I can, because I haven't actually got any pastel eyeshadows, but I believe if I mix them with a white, we can get the shade I'm kind of looking for. For this look, I am going to go from like the blues and the purples to the reds on the outer corner, I think. So let's start off with purple. First, I'm going to go in with the Be Perfect Carnival 3 palette. For purple, where I want quite pastel colours, I am actually going to start here with this lilac colour. So I'm going to pick it up on a small fluffy brush. My brushes are completely dirty, I'm not going to lie to you, but let's just ignore that, please. And I'm just going to take it and apply it to that inner corner, buffing it out, but not going too big and dramatic yet. Honestly, I haven't got to so much of a plan. I've just seen a few pictures for inspiration, and I'm just going with it now. I've got no reference picture right now. Just gonna let my creativity take over. Tell you what I do need to invest in, definitely that new product Eyeshadow Clean. I've had like a small tester sample before and it's been going viral on TikTok. But basically you dip your brush in it and then you wipe it and then your brush is clean, like just like that. And I need that because I'm so lazy with my brushes. I wash my face brushes quite often, but not the eyeshadow ones for some reason. Okay, so following that rainbow, we're going backwards. So we got purple, then we got blue. So yeah, going in with the shade Lagoon here, picking it on the same brush. So I'm gonna lightly pick up this product and then maybe apply a white on top to try get that pastel shade, because this is quite a neon blue. So picking the product up, and I'm just gonna buff it in to the purple shade I've already placed and blending it out like so. I'm not gonna lie, this does feel really weird to me. I've did this under eye makeup or eye bag trend on TikTok happened a while ago, but shout out, I forgot her name, but I'll put a shout out to the person who made it more popular in the comments, and actually I'll put a video in now just to show you. So now we got the purple and the blue on there. I did say I wanted to go in with a white to kind of fade the colours out, but I think I might do that at the end because then I will maybe able to get like a more seamless blend of the colours. So what is the next colour in the rainbow? So it's red, orange, yellow, green, blue. So green. So let's add some green to this. To make life easier, I am going to be sticking with the same palette here. There is no pastels. Don't know what I'm doing. Just making it up as I go along. But pretend I didn't say that. This is a tutorial. We can do this together. Okay, right. This shade Bamboo. I think I'm going to try that one first. And I am going to swap my brush if I can find one. Sorry, I think I need to readjust the camera. There you go. I have just moved the camera. Brought you a bit closer. Sorry if you were too zoomed out before. I am slowly getting used to this as I'm swapping the phone I'm now recording on, as it was my birthday and I was luckily gifted the iPhone 13 from my boyfriend. So I got a new upgrade, so hopefully better quality videos, but it might take me some time to get used to. Right, so I got that green shade and let's apply it to the eye. Oh, you know what? It's not that bright. It's pretty cute actually. But is it going to be too close to yellow? Maybe. I like it. It's cute. What do you think? Do I look really strange right now? Probably. But I've just got to love it. Get on with it. It's cute. Right, so now it is time to add a yellow. So the yellow shade in this Be Perfect palette is actually kind of orangey, I think. So I reckon it'll be different from the green, so it'll actually work together. So let's pick up some of that product. A lot of it, because we want a lot of colour payoff. And I'm just going to stamp it next to that green. She cute. Ooh, yes, I love it. Oh, I might add like a pink here. And definitely a white eyeliner. I normally go black. But I feel like it would look cute with all colours. Getting excited. Okay, so I got to add orange and red. I want to do it in kind of like an upward motion, and then the liner can like cut it off. Yeah, I think that's the plan. I'm going to put it on first and then clear it up afterwards. Because if I do the liner first, then the eyeshadow might go over the liner. That's not the vibe I'm looking for. The next colour, same palette, going in with this one here called Mango. You may be thinking, Lydia, what are you even doing? You said you were going to do pastels. I was, but I don't know, just went in a different direction. Love it. All right, lastly, red. Can't believe how quick this has actually taken me. Pretty cool. Could actually be a festival look as well. All right, on top. Now we're going to go in with this colour here called Blaze. So I've picked that product up and just going to tap it over the orange here because I kind of want to make it wing-ish like. That's cute. So cute. I think I might actually add a bit more colour to the green here. 1 second. Oh, so I've also picked up a bit of pink and I'm pushing it in. Got a bit carried away when when redoing that green. But there's all the colour on. Do I try fade it out with a white? Maybe at the bottom. Yeah, let's try that. I don't know, are the colours like blended well? I don't know how well you can see it on camera. Maybe if I get like closer. I don't know. Hopefully it looks good. Yeah, so for the white, I'm actually going to be swapping to the Revolution Forever Flawless I've Got a Text Love Island palette. Got this one for my birthday as well. Thanks, bestie. So here are the shades. I'm going to use this one here, which it says Pied, just to blend at the bottom to kind of fade out the colours. Taking a really fluffy brush. So also, I don't know about if you know about this, but when you take a bigger brush and you want to blend out the colours that you've put on, never just go in with no product on the brush, as you're just going to move the colours around. Whereas this, you're like fading them out. So I'm just going to stamp the white on, and then I'm going to do some little circles and like wing it out a bit more. To do this eyeliner, I'm going to be taking my Split Cake liner palette from Lash Dupe and taking this white here. But I am going to clean it up before I use it because it's a bit grey. Right, difficult part, liner, no talking, you know the drill. Brush, got liner on, let's create a wing. Got some product on the brush and let's create a wing. That didn't go to plan. Sorry, I'm not talking at all. It's probably because I'm winging it right now. And there's the liner. What do you think? Do you like it? Does it make the look? Does it ruin the look? I don't know. Should I connect it here? No, I don't put white in the waterline. Oh, gotta get rid of that. I think it looks cool, but I did try putting it in the waterline and that didn't work. But I reckon white lashes could work. So I'm just gonna take the liner and actually just rub it on the lashes. Because I don't have white mascara. But this isn't doing a bad job. Never done this before. Now I think for this look we need some crazy bold lashes, something a little bit like this. So I'm going to apply some mascara and some lashes, and I'll be back to show you the finished eye before I move on to the next. And there's one eye complete. So I'm going to do the other one off camera and then I'll be back in a second. And there's both eyes complete. What do you think of the look, guys? Do you feel like the eyeshadow? The under eye eyeshadow, and the white liner. I think it looks cute, quite crisp and really nice. Yeah, I did feel weird to start doing it because I don't put eyeshadow under my eyelids. No, I don't put eyeshadow on my eye bags usually. But it's cute, something different, and Pride is all about being different and celebrating you, so get creative with your looks. So 2 steps I wanted to do now is the lips and highlighter, and then we are done. It's really simple. I'm taking the Revolution Reloaded highlighter. This is in the shade Raise the Bar. So I'm just gonna take some of that product on a small brush, and we are going to blind everyone with our highlighter today. So on the cheekbones, let's go on the Cupid's bow, the tip of our nose, and the bridge. And let's add the pop of highlighter on the brow bone. Highlighter everywhere today. So lastly, just a stamp, the inner corner. Woo! I'm glowing and I love it. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. My hair, it is new. I have got balayage done, birthday present to myself. I love it. And what do you think? I think I might end up going more blonde, you know. Get rid of the brunette, but I thought let's do it in stages. I really wanted this hair look for a while, and I thought my birthday, treat myself, wanted it done before the holidays and before the festivals. Speaking of that, quick question for you. Would you guys be up for some vlogs? I know I'm a makeup channel, but I'm going to festivals. I could show off my looks and that. So that's one thing. And I'm also going on holiday. Would you like to see that sort of video? I know I really enjoy watching them in my free time, but is it something that you're interested in? Just let me know in the comments. Okay, let's get on with lips. And for lips, I want something nude and something not to take away from the eye look. So I'm actually going to be doing that TikTok trend where you use an eyebrow pencil to line your lips. And then they normally say your blush, but I'm just going to go for a nude lip. So let's line our lips with our brow pencil. Using a brow pencil just creates a unison look, because it just blends together with like the brows. It doesn't blend together, but you've got the same colour and it ties the look together. I'm going to take the Maybelline Matte Superstay liquid lipstick in the shade 05 Loyalist. So I'm just going to apply this all over the lip, and then I'm going to blend it in with the eyebrow pencil. Let's call it lip liner. Saying eyebrow pencil feels weird. So applying it, and as you can see it looks a bit weird. So what we can do is take a small brush and just blend them together. So here I've got a small flat brush. Just blending the 2 shades together. Tapping that product in. And there's the lip colour on, but let's add some shimmer, because with Pride, I just think of someone who shines, someone who sparkles. So this is the Revolution Shimmer Bomb. It's just a clear lip gloss with tons of glitter in. Don't know if you can see, but let's apply that. Applying it generously so I can get that sparkle. And this is the finished look, guys. What do you think? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Is it weird, confusing? Just let me know in the comments what you think about it. I love this look. It's so creative and bold, and I think it's a great look inspired by Pride. I really love how the white eyeliner makes the colours pop. I just think it ties together really nicely. Also, here is the new hair, And now out of the clips you can see it. I hope you like it. I love it. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you did enjoy it. And if you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, I would love it if you could subscribe, as most of my watchers don't actually subscribe, so it's a bit sad. I would love it if you would subscribe and join the family. If you enjoy makeup and tutorials and challenges, this channel is perfect for you. I've created lots of videos for this and you can find them in my channel, but I will link some down in the description that you should definitely go check out. I hope you have a great Pride month, even though it is coming to the end, but there are Pride parties out in the summer. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday at 6. Bye guys!